Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless circular saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt Flexvolt 60V Max Circular Saw Kit. For a portable cordless tool, the DeWalt Flexvolt 60V Max may be on the heavier side, but it offers reduced power consumption and is great at cutting wet, pressure-treated lumber for deck framing or landscaping, as well as for making bevel adjustments in rafters. The 9Ah battery allows users to get a good portion of the day's tasks done without having to recharge. However, a 20V max fan-cooled fast charger also comes with the kit. Also included is a handy carrying bag that can hold all the extras that come with it, a Flexvo carbide-tipped 7-1/2 circular blade, and a blade wrench. One professional explained that, despite its size and weight, it's surprisingly easy to maneuver, and wrote that it's better than dragging a cord around. Moving on at number 4, we have the Metabo HPT36V cordless 7-1/4 rear handle circular saw. Having a lighter cordless saw that packs the same or more power than a corded model can save time and allow you to get through more work quicker. Weighing only 8.2 pounds, the compact Metabo HPT36V multi-volt is considered one of the lightest cordless models on the market. With a 5,100 RPM no-load speed, and a 2-7/16 inch cutting depth, it's easy to operate and also makes a good option for DIYers. This option is just the bare tool, but if you'd like the extras, a battery charger kit is also available, as is an AC adapter. One customer described it as powerful and really lightweight. That's really nice when cutting 4x4 fence posts or cutting up high. The sight lines are really nice, and is very comfortable in my hand. At number 3, we have the Makita S02Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Circular Saw. The Makita Brushless Cordless Saw is a top-of-the-line unit with a strong engine that can reach 3,700 RPM. Though there are different models available that offer more power, Makita's innovative technology sets this model apart. The saw's speed and torque are optimized automatically, depending on the material being cut, thanks to the saw's automatic speed technology. With several seals preventing water and dust from entering the motor, this saw is ideal for use outside, too. The battery can interact with the motor to minimize overheating and overloading, and this greatly improves the battery's lifespan. A professional user wrote that it cuts like butter and didn't bog down once. I have used it to cut boards for a big deck and it still held the charge. At number 2, we have the Makita 40V Max XGT Brushless Lithium-Ion 7-1/4 inch cordless rear handle circular saw. The Makita 40V Max XGT is a lightweight, powerful cordless tool. The saw's trigger switch, together with the location and design of each lever and the spindle lock's push lever, combine to make for a pleasant and straightforward working experience. The brushless motor can reach speeds of up to 6,400 RPM for more efficient cutting. When under pressure, the cutting speed is automatically adjusted by the automatic torque drive of this 2-inch circular saw, all the way up to 9/16 of an inch, so it can cut up to 3x lumber in a single pass. It features Makita's Extreme Protection Technology, XPTTM, a system of integrated seals that helps a tool perform better in adverse situations by diverting water and dust away from vital internal components. One buyer wrote that this cordless rear handle circular saw doesn't disappoint. It both cross-cuts and rips effortlessly, and I'm getting a lot of cuts between charges with the 4.0 Ah battery. I think the weight is easily comparable or lighter than similar saws. And finally at number 1, we have the TECCPO Cordless Circular Saw. TECCPO's lithium-ion battery-powered, multi-blade circular saw is superb for cutting a wide range of materials. It comes with blades in a variety of shapes and sizes, each tailored to cut a particular material, such as plastic, metal, or tile. In addition to being portable and having a dust blower that can be attached to the vacuum port, it also features a laser for making extremely precise and straight cuts, making it truly a versatile choice among cordless circular saws. Customers are happy with the cutting power of this product, to the point that they compare it with similar corded saws. One customer who used this to help deconstruct a bunch of old oak chairs explained, "It was like the Energizer Bunny, it kept cutting, and cutting and cutting." Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.